Hello and welcome back to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. It is 2021 and on this channel I make a range of videos about avocados and other plant stuff. As a type of video on this channel, I'm following the progress of these seeds, which were started back in December of 2019. It took quite a while for them to start growing, but here we are. So it's been a bit over a year since we started germinating this batch of seeds, and Mrs. Jacobs 3, this avocado seed, is still growing roots, though I'm concerned about its colour. We have lost some roots from this one before due to root rot because I wasn't changing the water frequently enough, but they are still growing, so hopefully we'll get there. Still not a lot of new upward growth, but you can see that it's trying. Fox FDL Official is also still growing roots, but it's looking as though the shoot inside it has shriveled up, so I'm a bit concerned there as well. The goal I started this channel upon was to grow avocado trees from seed to the point of bearing fruit whilst documenting the process, and I'm really hoping that these seeds will pull through. I'm changing the water weekly to try and ward off root rot, and I'm hoping that that's going to be enough. I'm beginning to get a little bit frustrated because I've grown a number of avocado trees that I'm not documenting as closely for this channel. It's best to start lots of seeds so that you end up with a few trees. These seeds are still growing, but I'm really hoping that they'll pick up soon. I will keep you updated. I hope to see more growth out of these seeds soon. Thanks for joining us for this January 2021 update. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and if you did, and would like to make sure you don't miss any of my other updates on these seeds or any other avocado instructional or informative videos, please subscribe to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.